steps down from the sun in traffic. Air turns cool like a held-in breath. Sandal feet on the worn-out marble. Every whisper afraid of its own echo. Brown road guide with a lantern voices. Look closely, don't just look away. Skulls like lanterns, ribs like folded gates. Every socket pointing at your face. What you are now, we once have been. Hear it hanging in the dust. What we are now, you once will be. Written in your bones like rust. I walk between their patiences. Hands in my sides, heart on my sleeve. Church of bones around my body, teaching me how to live, teaching me how to live. Tibia stacked like a careful sentence. Spines and arches curving over pews. Little finger bones shaped into flowers. Fragile gardens that a breath could bruise. One small skull wears a crooked halo. Teeth half gone like an unfinished prayer. I see my father in the jawline's angle. I see my own in the thinning hair. What you are now, we once have been. Threaded through these silent cells. What we are now, you once will be, says every empty citadel. I walk between their patient faces. Feel every doubt begin to give. Church of bones around my body, teaching me how to live, teaching me how to live. Is it fear I taste, or is it mercy? Standing ankle deep in borrowed time. All these brothers laid like scripture. Turn my heartbeat into rhyme. What you are now, we once have been. The line keeps circling back to me. What we are now, you once will be. Opens like a small key. I walk between the patient faces. Ash on my tongue, light in my chest. Church of bones around my body, saying dust is on